Inside Shenzhen Science Museum, visitors explore environments that combine digital media, physical models, and hands-on participation. Immersive gateways and responsive displays turn complex ideas into experiences that can be seen, touched, and tested. Kinetic installations reveal movement, light, and biological inspiration through direct interaction. Space exploration zones connect physical exhibits with simulation, visualization, and storytelling. Human body and earth science displays help visitors investigate systems at very different scales. Immersive projections, responsive displays, and digital interfaces show how engineering supports museum learning. For exhibit developers, technology works best when interaction, durability, and educational purpose are designed together. Zoomking designs and fabricates custom interactive science exhibits for science museums worldwide.